Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will take a fun and simple journey through our digestive system. Have you ever wondered what happens to food after you eat it? Let's explore with me how our body breaks it down to get energy. So, our digestive system is like a food factory. It takes in food, breaks it down, and take the nutrients which we have required. But those substances which are unwanted and are waste for our body, the body eliminate that waste out of the body. So let's look at each step by step, to understand our human digestive system. So the first step takes place in the mouth. So digestion starts in the mouth. When we chew food, food becomes smaller and the salivary gland releases saliva. The saliva mixes with the food, and we know saliva has a special enzyme called amylase. This amylase starts breaking down of carbohydrates, and these carbohydrates are present in our rice, bread, and etc. So the soft food ball that is formed after mixing of saliva is now called as bolus. Now let's look what happened with this bolus. The other part is the esophagus. It is a pathway to our stomach. Now the next stop is the esophagus. This is the food pipe that moves food from the mouth to our stomach. It uses a wave-like motion called peristalsis or peristaltic movement. This peristalsis helps to push the bolus down safely. There are some sphincter which helps to control the opening and closing of our stomach. So these sphincter act like gates to stop food from going the wrong way. Okay. Now the next stop is the stomach. So now we reach the stomach, our food mixer. Here the churning and digestion take place. So the stomach has strong juices like hydrochloric acid, which is known as HCl, and pepsin. These break down proteins. In our food, carbohydrate, protein, fats, all are present. So the carbohydrate breakdown has started in our mouth, and the protein digestion will start in the stomach. So after mixing these acids and pepsins release our stomach into our food, the food turn into a semi-liquid, and this semi-liquid substance is known as chyme, and this chyme is ready to move to our next organ, that is small intestine. So the small intestine is the real superstar. It is where the most digestion and absorption happen. Enzymes and bile come here to help the food break down. These are like the helping friends which are compulsory to breaking our food. Now the small what we call small structures are present which are known as microvilli or villi. These are present on the surface of the small intestine. Now you guys are thinking what the function of this villi and microvilli. So this small structure helps to absorb the nutrients into the blood, and they are increasing the surface area because they are very small and they are in many numbers. So they increases the surface area, and so easily absorption of food takes place, and the absorbed nutrients get fused in our bloodstream. Now the next part is the duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of the small intestine. It receives bile from the liver and enzymes from pancreas. It also has bicarbonates to reduce acidity, as HCl has released from our stomach, so the food have become acid which may harm our inner linings. So duodenum release bicarbonate which reduces the acidity. So duodenum is the place where food is chemically broken down into very simpler form, because the simpler form is only acceptable to the body. Now any leftover food now goes to the large intestine. Here water and minerals are absorbed. maximum water absorption take place in large intestine. So friendly bacteria are present here, which helps to ferment leftover or the waste materials and make some vitamins which are required to our body. So what remains now become feces. Okay, the unwanted material now become feces. The next part is the rectum, which store feces until it's time to go out. The anus has muscles to control, and these muscles have sphincter that control when we have to eliminate our waste material or not. So this is the final step in the journey of digestion. Now we will talk about the some helper organs or accessory organs which are required in digestion as well. So these are the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and salivary gland. Liver makes bile juice, which helps to digest fats. Gallbladder stores bile, which is produced by liver. Pancreas are ready to give enzymes, which are very important to break down of food. Then salivary gland makes saliva, which start digestion in our mouth. And we already knew amylase helps in the breakdown of carbohydrates. So the digestive system is like a smart machine. It's take about 24 hours to fully digest the food. Okay, and it's about 30 feet long. As you can see, it's constricted here, but if we open this and make a straight path, then it will make up to 30 feet. Isn't it fascinating? So to keep our digestive system healthy and fit, we have to drink water and stay active, and please eat healthy food. So stay active to keep this system running smoothly. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this journey through our digestive system, please like and subscribe our video. Stay healthy and stay curious. Thank you.